Hi to everyone, I am Nandhini. Today I am going to tell about time domain specifications. The desired performance characteristics of control systems can be specified in terms of time domain specifications. For a given unit step input, the transient response characteristics of a control system specified in terms of the following time domain specifications. So first one is delay time, arise time, peak time, settling time, peak overshoot. Delay time, the time taken by the response to reach 0 to 50% of final value. That is delay time. Rise time, the time taken by the response to reach 0 to 100% of final value. That is rise time. Peak time, the time taken by the response to reach 0 sorry the time taken by the response to reach maximum value or a peak value. That is peak time. Settling time, it is the time taken by the response to reach or stay within the specified error. Next, peak overshoot. Peak overshoot is the ratio of maximum value to the final value. The maximum value is calculated from the final value. So delay time, the time taken by the response to reach 50% of final value at the very first time. Rise time, the time taken by the response to reach 0 to 100% of final value. For underdamped system, the rise time is calculated from 0 to 100%. But for overdamped system, the rise time is calculated from 10 to 90%. And for a critically damped system, the rise time is calculated from 5% to 95% rise time. Next, the rise time is given by Tr equal to pi minus theta by omega d. That is rise time. Next, peak time. Peak time is the time taken by the response to reach maximum value or a peak value. So the peak time, which is given by pi by omega n square root of 1 minus zeta square, otherwise Tp is equal to pi by omega d. Next, settling time. Settling time is nothing but the time taken by the response to reach or stay within the specified error. The allowable or a tolerable error is 2 to 5%. For 2% of error, the settling time is given by Ts is equal to 4 by zeta omega n. For a 5% error, the settling time can be given by Ts is equal to 3 by zeta omega n. The last one is peak overshoot. The peak overshoot is defined as the ratio of maximum value to the final value. Here, the maximum value is calculated from the final value. So, maximum or peak overshoot, which is denoted with percent of MP or percent of OS. Here C of Tp is nothing but final value, maximum value of C of Tp. C of infinity is nothing but final value. Percentage of MP is equal to C of Tp minus C of infinity by C of infinity. Next, from this equation we can obtain percent of MP is equal to e power minus zeta pi by square root of 1 minus zeta square into 100. This is the formula for percent of MP. Thank you.